it is time to practice with visualizing your data. Remember that we measured the caffeine percentage of coffee. We already made a box plot and saw that there was a big difference between the caffeine percentage of coffee produced on 3 different machines. We also found that machine 3 did not comply with the maximum of 0.1% caffeine for decaf coffee. However, next to the machine, we also measured the batch number. Now, my question to you is the following. Is batch also an influence factor for caffeine percentage? And if it is, which batch is the best to produce decaf coffee? Now, pause this video, load your data into Minitab, analyze the data and answer the question before you continue. Are you ready for the solutions? First, we have to see what our variables are. The Y variable, or the CTQ, is caffeine percentage, and it's numerical. The X variable, or the influence factor, is the batch number. Don't be fooled by the fact that it's a number, it is a categorical variable. If you look at the tree diagram, you see that we can make a box plot. Let's take a look in Minitab how to make such a plot. I have copy-pasted the variables caffeine percentage, extractor number and batch number into Minitab. To make a box plot, you go to Graph, and then we select Box Plot. Now, which box plot should we make? We should make the one with groups, because we have caffeine percentage and want to show it for each batch. Okay. Our graphing variable, your CTQ or your Y variable, is caffeine percentage. Your categorical variable for grouping your influence factor is in this example batch number. Okay. And this is our box plot. What do you see? Let's take a closer look. This is the box plot. We see that there are no big differences between the medians and the boxes for each batch. Thus, we can conclude that probably the batch number is not an important influence factor for caffeine percentage. Furthermore, you can see that not a single batch is complying with the norm, which was 0.1% for decaf coffee. Summarizing, if you have a numerical Y and a categorical X variable, you can use a box plot with groups to visualize the variables. The box plot showed that the batch is not a convincing influence factor for caffeine percentage.